Hi guys! Birthday din ng kapatid ko, ng sister ko. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Castle View, dito sa Samal, Davao. So, gusto ko lang i-feature, i-share sa inyo yung place, just in case you'd like to have a break, explore this place here in Samal. So, this is one of the resorts that Samal has. So, this is Castle View. Here's the front, dyan yung ating parking space. And then, papasok. Sa tingin ko ito na talaga yung entrance. So, papunta sa entrance. Na, kumusta kayo? Ay ayoko munang mag-mention ng anything na kung ano nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon. So, break muna tayo sa heartaches. So, ito yung kanilang entrance as you pass by from the parking lot. Tapos ito yung parang kanilang pasilyo para sa entrance. So, ito. Ayan. Then, harap mo na agad pagpasok yung kanilang swimming pool. Actually, they only have a very small swimming pool. Pero, okay na rin. I mean, diba? Okay lang. And then the rooms or the units, ang ganda. So, they start from like 3,000 and then merong 4,000, may 6,000. Depende sa laki ng room, depende sa ilang beds sa isang room. So, yeah. Ayan. So, yun lang. Actually, hindi siya malaki na place. Pero, ano siya, may ilang units na rin sa namin. Ayun, so ano to? Swak na swak pang family. Gusto nyo ng family gatherings. So, a glimpse on the rooms. There's a dining table. Tapos yung CR. Ang tanong na putol. CR. Yung CR. Ay, no. Shower room pala. Shower room. And then, may kitchen konti. What's another? Oh, CR. Ayan. And then, dining table. Then you have this small living room here. So this room is good for like maybe parang 4 to 6 kasi malalaki naman yung queen sizes naman yung beds, dalawa. Ano to ha? Hindi to sponsored ha. Gusto ko lang i-share kasi nagustuhan ko yung place nila. So, so tapos meron din dun sa taas, yun medyo malaki-laki. So, ayun. Yeah. That's basically it. Hindi na sila tapos. Ano kaya pinag-uusapan niyo? Sino kaya pinag-uusapan niyo? So 360 view ng lugar. This is Castle View, guys. Ayan. Madaming mga ano dito, areas na Instagrammable. Kaya nito, cute lang oh. Diba? Simple. Simple oh, ganda. Ayan, nakasulat. Castle View. Tapos picture. Diba? So, libre na ang swimming pool. Wala ng tao. So, para na talaga to sa amin. Tingnan natin yung kanilang pool hours. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, not bad. Hanggang 10 p.m. Ang iba kasi hanggang 9 p.m. Tingnan. Bye for now, guys. And I leave you with this line. For whatever that bothers us, kung ano yung, for whatever that weighs us down, always give time to, to pause for a while. And iiyak nyo kung if you have to. Pwede namang umiyak. Cleansing naman yung pag-iyak. Tapos, bangon. And then, figure out how to solve whatever worries or problems that you have. So, and of course, trusting the Lord. Always pray and surrender everything to Him. Everything will be okay. Okay? See you again.